Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones with two hot contenders, the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera on the left and the Tech Wonders drone with camera on the right. Fasten your seatbelts because this is going to be a fun ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Hiturbo drone is a steal at $79. Seriously, it's like finding a unicorn at a garage sale. On the other hand, the Tech Wonders drone comes in at $129. That's right, folks, it's the Bentley of drones. But will it be worth the extra cash? Let's find out. Both drones boast a 1080p camera. But here's where things get interesting. The Hiturbo drone has a manually adjustable camera. You know, the kind where you have to physically move it like you're adjusting your grandma's TV antenna. Meanwhile, the Tech Wonders drone has a 1080p HD dual camera setup that can be rotated 90 degrees. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, but for a drone. Plus, it has a 50x zoom. So if you're a spy in training, this one's for you. Reviewers say the Hiturbo drone takes good quality photos and videos, but may have some camera lag. On the other hand, Tech Wonders' camera quality is highly praised for its clarity and versatility. Now, let's talk juice. The Hiturbo drone gives you about 24 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to impress your friends, crash into a tree, and still have time to fly it back home. But Tech Wonders? Oh boy, this drone is like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. It boasts a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film an entire episode of Survivor Backyard Edition. Reviewers love the extended flying time of Tech Wonders, but also appreciate the dual battery setup of Hiturbo for quick swaps. For beginners, the Hiturbo drone is your new best friend. It's got altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and even voice control. It's like the drone version of having training wheels, perfect for kids and adults who still feel like kids. Reviewers find it user-friendly and great for children. Tech Wonders, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. It's so precise it could probably perform surgery, plus it has obstacle avoidance. So if you're the type who constantly walks into glass doors, this drone's got your back. Users find it easy to maneuver and highly precise. Now let's talk coolness factor. The Hiturbo drone has features like one-key takeoff, landing, and speed adjustment. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers love its foldable design and ease of use. But Tech Wonders is like the James Bond of drones. It's got 360 degrees flips, rolls, waypoint functions, and even gesture control. Make AV or palm gesture, and it'll take a photo or video. So basically, it's the selfie stick for the 21st century. Reviewers are thrilled with its high-tech functionalities and find it worth the money. Based on the reviews, both drones have their merits. Hiturbo drone is praised for its user-friendliness, durability, and value for money, making it an excellent choice for beginners and children. On the other hand, Tech Wonders drone is celebrated for its advanced features, camera quality, and long battery life, appealing to those who want a more premium experience. That's it for today's showdown. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. And remember, the product links are in the description.